Hello my dear students, I am your maths teacher from the interactive learning system Dunyapur, and this is my video lesson 19 for class 8 students. Today my topic is distributive law of union over intersection, and I will verify this through Venn diagram. So let's start. First of all, I'll state, as usual, I'll state the law. This law, the distributive law of union over intersection, this states that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So you see, this law, this is the mathematical expression of the law, and it has two parts. It has two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. So we will solve or represent these two sides side by side, So I have divided this page into two columns. In this column, in the left column, I'll represent the left hand side of the law, and in the right column, I'll represent the right hand side of the law through Venn diagram, and in the end we'll see that both of these are equal, and thus we'll verify this law. Okay, so here we'll start with the left hand side of the law, which says A union B intersection C. So this part of this operation, the B intersection C, it is in parentheses. We'll solve this first. So B intersection C, to represent B intersection C through Venn diagram, I have drawn this picture here. It has a rectangle representing the universal set, and then three overlapping circles representing set A, B and C. But now we have to represent only B intersection C. So we'll focus on B and C, circle of set B and circle of set C. And we'll see which part of circle B is overlapping circle C. And I have colored this part. This colored area is the representation of B intersection C. And this is the first part of my representation, right? And then in the next part, I'll find the union of this part with circle A or with set A. Okay, the union of this intersection or overlapping part with circle A, and which is this one. So you see, this is the intersection part, this area, and I have made its union with circle A. I have colored the whole of circle A, and this is the intersection area of B and C. So this is the final answer of our left hand side. A intersection B union C. So this is the representation of this picture, is the representation of A union B intersection C. And I have solved it in two steps. Okay? The next part, the right hand side part, says that A union B intersection A union C. So I have to solve it or represent it in three steps. First, I'll solve this A union B, and I'll try to represent this part or this operation through Venn diagram. Then I'll take this part A union C, and I'll represent it through Venn diagram, and then I'll take their intersection. So in first diagram, I have focused on circle A and B and color them all to show their union. See, I have colored the whole of circle A and whole of the circle B to represent this operation A union B. In the second picture, I have focused on set A and set C only. Okay, and to represent this operation of union between A and C, I have colored the whole of the circle A and whole of the circle C. So this is the representation of this operation A union C. Now what I have to do? I need to find their intersection. Okay, so you see, now focus on the colored area only. Focus on the colored area and see which part is the common. Here A is the colored part. See, the whole of the A is colored, and then which part of B is overlapping with C. So this is the answer which I have dotted, and I have colored it here for you people. This picture represents A union B intersection A union C. A union B, this was A union B and this was A union C, and their intersection is this part. Okay, now look at this. This is our final representation of the right hand side, and compare this picture or diagram with this picture, and these are the same thing. Okay, so A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So this proves that both of these expressions are equal. Okay, and thus distributive law of union over intersection is verified. So this is all for today. This is all for our video lesson 19, and in this video lesson I have tried to verify distributive law of union over intersection through Venn diagram. And this is all for today, and I'll say goodbye to you people, and I'll see you in the next video lesson. Bye bye.